Now we're naming cyclic rings. So for naming cyclic rings, specifically, let's start off with our cycloalkanes. Remember, all that means is that we have a cyclic ring and everything has a single bond. So if we had something like this, where one, I would just look at the cyclic ring and identify the longest carbon chain within that cyclic ring. So in this case, I would have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4 different carbons here for my longest carbon chain or cyclic ring. So that's why I have butane. However, since this is a cyclic ring, I do have to put the prefix of cyclo. So this is cyclobutane, plus there is an additional substituent. So here I have a substituent, a methyl group, so it's methyl cyclobutane. However, notice I don't have any numbers, right? I didn't even number this. And the reason for that is because in cyclic rings, you do not need to specify the number of which the substituent is located at. Specifically, if there's